Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Palmer Proctor. He is the CEO of Ameris Bank CEO. Palmer, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Wonderful to be here. Thank you for having us.
It's an exciting day here at the New York
Very
Stock
day.
Exchange. So you just rang the opening bell. You are celebrating the transfer of your stock listing to the NYSE. So tell me, what prompted you to join the NYSE?
We felt like the New York Stock Exchange would be more reflective of our company. The history of our company is a 50-year-old institution. And so when we think about stability and sustainability and going forward, we just felt like the New York Stock Exchange would be the best fit for us.
Now, Ameris has been on a growth trajectory in the past through M&A and more recently through organic growth. So what's your current strategy?
The current strategy has not changed. Our primary focus is always organic growth. And we do a very good job of that. M&A is certainly of interest to us, but we're not dependent on M&A. And that's a very different model than a lot of other companies have. So we've been able to show, and fortunately through our leadership team and through the growth markets we're in, to be able to execute on organic growth strategy, and that's our primary focus.
Now, the outlook for regional banks is trending more positive this quarter. Without getting ahead of your Q2 earnings later this week, to what do you attribute strong performance in the regional banking sector?
I think the sector is finally getting recognized. I think the net interest margins have kind of stabilized. The cost of funds is starting to stabilize. And when you see that, I think there's a little more interest in the stocks, especially with the specialists. The generalists, I think, are still on the sidelines to a certain degree. But I think as we come into hopefully what's going to be a soft landing, then we'll start seeing some appreciation, which we've seen over the last couple of weeks in a lot of the regional bank stocks.
All right, Palmer, tell me finally, what's next for Ameris?
Onward and upward. We're just going to continue with our trajectory. We've got a lot of opportunity. We're well positioned. It's a stable bank with wonderful capital, wonderful leadership, and we just got a plan that we're going to be able to execute on. So we're excited about that.
Well, we're excited to have you as part of the NYSE family. Thanks for joining me on Floor
Thank you
Talk
for
today.
having us. Yes, glad to be here.